Hi guys, Deepak from 91 Mobiles, and this is the budget Android Oreo Go Edition powered smartphone from Lava, the Lava Z50. Now very basic specs, 4.5-inch FWVGA screen, 1 gig of RAM, 8 GB storage, 5 megapixel cameras, both front and back, and both come with their own flash units. This phone looks more premium than it really is, but comes encased in a plastic body, and interestingly runs stock Android Oreo. Of course, this is the light version of Android Oreo, the Oreo Go Edition, which is optimized to run on smartphones with low specs. Needless to say, this is going to be a budget smartphone and comes with a light set of apps which includes Google Go, Go Assistant and Files Go, and just a few others. We currently don't have an idea on specs like battery capacity yet or exact pricing, but we'll have that for you shortly. Seems that Lava has customized the camera app on this, so gives you features like a beauty mode, a funny cam, which probably lets you add some stickers, yes, and gives you various options to shoot, including a touch shutter and a smile shutter as well. Feels reasonably snappy, but don't expect a rocket in terms of performance. The port placement is slightly different than most phones because the micro USB port is placed on top along with a 3.5mm socket. There's nothing at the bottom except a microphone, and nothing on the left as well. On the right, a volume rocker and power key. So a quick look at the Android Oreo Go Edition smartphone from Lava, the Lava Z50. Thanks for watching.